Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. What's up? Good morning, familia. Good morning. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez. Live once more in a Monday. Ready to look at the market and trade opportunities, familia. Hello, everyone. Hello, Lisa. How are you? All right, familia. It's a slow, very slow start. Very slow start. Not a lot of volatility going on from last night until today. So basically the setup that we looked at last night for some of these instruments that were pretty good. NAS continued rising up as we predicted. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. This is our analysis from yesterday, right? It broke the area, it just continued pushing to the upside like crazy. Final target all the way up there, at least there. But remember, familia, this is a correction of the market. Even if it goes to the 100%, it can react to that level and fall down. So we have half hour to see how the market is going to react. My bias is still bullish, all the way to 61%. It can go even higher than that, all the way to 88% of the Fibonacci tool. It's still valid as part of the zigzag correction. But the other thing that is happening is also a potential end of the shutdown of the US government, which is going to keep bringing things a little bit higher if, things happen that way. But right now, it's not happening. So we just want to make sure that we're making the right decisions here and understand that the market is in a correction. It needs to happen. All right, so what is the first correction that is going to do? A zigzag, probably, but it can fall also. If you guys don't see a zigzag, it can fall now into a triangle pattern, but we will see. It is Monday. This is CPI week, and CPI weeks usually the market likes to consolidate quite a lot before making a big move. Okay, that is for NAS. Let's take a quick look at gold, because gold is also, look at that, familia. That was our TA from gold last night. It broke the area. I was selling here. The market started reacting to that. It gave me like about $300 on this push, but then when it broke the area, it took me out on break even. That's the importance of moving your stop loss to break even when you're hitting TPs, because that way you can secure your bag even if the market decides to go into the opposite direction. But it broke the area as we predicted. Boom, broke it and gave us all of that. And look at that, familia, reaching to the levels that we talk about too, 130%. And look what the market is doing, reacting to that level, pushing the market back down. Easy breezy, cover girl. All right, so what are we doing then if this is already reaching the end of the fourth wave on the gold? Probably, right? So if this is the end of the fourth wave, that I honestly, with all these things that are happening lately, I kind of doubt it. That's why I expanded this a little bit beyond this point. But if it does react to this, it's gonna formulate the wave 5 on gold. And if you guys see a negative wave 5, It's gonna be in a much lower time frame. Another 5-point system pushing the market down. So how do we catch this wave? Understanding that there's gonna be displacement to the downside, creating imbalances or fair value gaps, pushing the market back up, activating the trade, pushing the market down. That's how you're gonna catch that kind of trade on gold. Already it's in a liquidity pool on the very top. I believe it might just keep pushing a little bit higher with market opening. We will see. Remember that there is a positive momentum in the market right now, and it might just break this entire area. We will see. If it reacts the way we talk about, pushing the market down, I want to see fair value gaps in a much lower time frame, 5-15 minutes. If they don't happen, it's probably just a temporary retracement to keep pushing up. Okay, that is for gold. Now let me do a proper analysis on NASDAQ because we have quite a long time. I'm gonna turn on some of my engines here for visualization. So look at that. This is Asia familia. Asia did a little bit of, well, not a little bit, quite a lot of trending last night. It was trending to the upside. Tons of liquidity being built around this area. Nothing has been cleared out. 3 consecutive candles to the upside. And when I say candles, I'm talking about in the daily time frame. This was previously last week, this week, Asia and London. So you can see how it's like coming from the bottom all the way up there. And this here is a very clean Elliott wave. All the way, a big correction out of this entire section. So if that's the case, then if this is a correction of the negative wave 5, which it was a longer wave, it needs to come down. It needs to come down. But look at that familia. Get into the 100% almost. And what I like to do, I like to measure this entire session. Okay. Okay, let's see. Already broke the 61%. Coming to the 70%, which is an area of high pressure. You know what's the crazy part, familia? Like, I was looking at this entire session, even the bot, everything that is technical, you can find divergences in this area. You can find so many things that is telling you that the market is in extreme levels being overbought. Like, it is too much. There's too much buying pressure right now, and the price needs to do a drastic pullback. But the sentiment of the market, based on what investors are seeing in the air, it is positive. So that's all they're seeing right now. So you can be as technical as you want, but they are seeing an opportunity that they don't want to miss. They strongly believe the market is going to do another higher high before the end of the year. And this is opportunities for them. But again, it's intra-swing trades. If you're looking for scalping, right now is doing, let's see, a triangle on the very top, found a very strong resistance on the very top, but he's doing literally a correction here. It's just doing a little wedge. It's, oh man, rising wedge. Here we go. We know how this thing works. Well, not entirely rising wedge. It's more or less not a rising wedge. This is a correction. It's a triangle. So let's see, 1, 2, why I gotta go to the much lower time frames here. See details. There you go. I can see 1, 2, 3. Okay. ABC. It is almost at the end of this thing. This thing is gonna break anytime. See, 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is. This thing is gonna break anytime now. Just looking at it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is gonna break, and let's see to what side. It's gonna be continuing. It's gonna have continuation to the upside. Very, very high probabilities of that. But before doing that, it needs to clear and find liquidity to go higher. In this entire session that was trading on London, you can say it's a little bit of consolidation. Well, not a little bit. It's a lot of consolidation happening in London right now. I don't want to see this anymore. I was just counting these waves inside this. Okay. So let me put this volume down a little bit. So okay, this is London. Opening transactions here. Boom, 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 boom. Liquidity grab here, this bottom, pushing up. Yeah, this thing is gonna keep pushing to the upside. Oh, for shit. Okay. But there's liquidity here, 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 here. Before doing that, it needs to come down, grab liquidity, probably even here, then push to the upside. Okay, so have that in mind, familia. I'm gonna highlight for you guys, for those who are doing scalping, the areas you need to watch for. There's gonna be a lot of movement. Remember, we're consolidating. It is Monday. It's gonna be probably a very slow Monday, okay? So this is a big liquidity cluster here that is probably gonna come and wipe it out before making any big move. All right, this is a session. It's all good. I'm gonna save this. And I'm going to now turn off some of this stuff. Turn it off there and turn it on my monster. There you go, perfect. And turning on precision fair value gaps. I want to turn that on. Oh, should I turn on my friend indicator? Yes. Duran, what's up, brother? It is gonna, I want to see. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me turn this off. Oh, perfect. All right, let me turn this off. I don't want to see the precision right now. Very clear liquidity heat map. Okay. It's right in the middle of it. Big wall on the very top. Big wall of transactions on the very top. It's more clear that it's coming first to this side to clear and grab liquidity. We got 14 minutes. So, all right. Hold on for me. I'm trying to. Trying to think this through. Hold on. Well, technically, as I said, it should come down and grab liquidity there at the bottom. It's just very tight, very condensed right now. The truth is, this has like 45% chances. There you go. It's doing it before the look at that. It's breaking the area right now. It has 45% chances to go up versus 55-60% going down. But to me, it is not clear. That's why I'm hesitating to know. See, when you have like almost like 50-50 chances of a market going in both directions, you step out and just watch for and wait for the opportunity. You know what I mean? Don't get forced to trade. It is very clear to me what I understand about the market and what is potentially gonna do first, and the intentions is still to go to the upside. But my concern is the following. This market has been for 3 days creating a bunch of liquidity to the downside, not going up at all. Sorry, not going down at all. All the indicators are showing that there's divergences, all kinds of things that need to happen, pushing the market down. You understand? Like, that's why I can't see, and especially on a Monday, creating such a huge wave to the upside before doing a drastic retracement on a Monday. That is my only concern about the market right now. So my suggestion is to let's just step back for a little bit and let's wait for the market to take direction. All right, my bias is still bullish, okay, but I want to wait for the market to react. All right, now if you're doing impact trading or momentum trading and volatility kicks in, understand that you need to trade from those precision fair value gap points. Okay, where are they? Here at the bottom, I see one very good one. Here at the top to sell, here at the bottom to buy, and especially around this area. See what I'm talking about? Look at that. The area that I highlighted already came and wiped it out, and look, it's pushing the market up slowly. See what I'm talking about? Like it's going to be all about what was done already in the past few days. Grabbing those points, clearing them out, pushing the market up, going down again, and that's what's going to happen the entire day. Just going up and down a lot. And that's why I have to like be really careful how I am dealing with this. So what can I do? Easy. Control your risk. Instead of you trying to do a home run or having a number in your head that you want to achieve today, oh, I need to make $100. You don't need to make $100. You need to find a good setup. All right, if you don't see a good setup, you don't trade. Because the thing is, when you find a good setup, if you're trying to make $100, you're gonna make $200, $300 in a good setup. not 100. You know what I mean? Even if you get only 50 bucks, hey, that's what the market gave you. Don't get greedy. Believe it or not, even after 17 years of trading and doing a lot of scalping lately, one thing that I always keep reminding myself, and I repeat this inside of me all the time, is to not trade choppy markets. At all times, I keep talking to me internally. Do not trade choppy market. Do not trade choppy market. Do not trade choppy. I keep saying it. It's something that you guys need to start developing to remind yourself at all times. And I said a good practice is to print out and put it in front of your computer those things that you tend to forget too much. So choppy markets are killers, and sometimes if you're depending on the kind of trading that you're doing, especially if you're doing, let's say, impact trading, you see opportunity that they're actually not there. They're actually tricks. Very well engineered moves of the market that will put you in a very tight and very bad position. And something that we always do and we like to do is opening several positions against the market, which is terrible. Every time you open a position on a market that is, for example, pushing to the opposite direction, you are increasing the risk already in a losing trade. And I'm guilty for that many times. So those are things that even a top trader understand, that I'm doing wrong, and I need to always keep it in the back of my head to not do those things, especially doing a scalping. Intraday swing trade is a completely different realm, and I don't trade that way. By the scalping, those are killers. Those are account burning moves, okay? What's up, Jay? What's up, Peter? How are you? What's going on, Jaime? What up, familia? All right, so we got 7 minutes for the market to open. Already came. Rob liquidity here. First thing I highlighted here, already did it. Now let's see if it's going to come lower again to these points at the bottom, or if it's just going to break that triangle and push to the upside. Now you see all these time frames that are here, and it's a super blue at the top. It is a very big wall already. What this indicator is saying from our friend Duran is saying that the market right now, all the time frames at this point, is showing that the market is extremely overbought, which I completely agree. So this becomes a huge wall for everyone, and the market will try to either, number one, break this wall, understanding that there's more liquidity on the very top, and then fall down and or just push down from that point, trying to clear what happened over the weekend. I truly believe the market will do that first. Try to grab liquidity at the bottom before pushing higher. Remember, my long-term bias, it is bullish, but we got Friday, Sunday night, and this morning pre-market pushing the market higher. All right, we got 5 minutes. The market is doing what it's supposed to do, respecting the triangle, but no, don't move that. Let's see, anybody, any gold traders here, any heavy gold traders in this session? If you guys are heavy gold traders, make sure that you're watching gold as well, because we want to place some trades on gold. So let us know if you guys see what we were just talking earlier here. Remember that it's going to form an Elliott wave 5 pushing the market down on gold. If you guys see that, just throw it in the chat so we can jump right away there. All right, so let me get my brokers ready. Get ready, traders, because we are about to make some money. Monday morning, slow and steady. All right, so let me only trade these accounts, and I am going to 40, 20, 20. All right, so I'm gonna, before the market opens, I am going to, I'm gonna sell the market now, okay? I'm gonna sell the market now. My stop loss is gonna be on top of all this stuff. I'm selling the market right now. Pre-market move. Why I'm selling the market? Because it came to a top of this wedge here. So my stop loss is a lot shorter than if I do it at the bottom, right? Remember, taking a stop loss is totally fine on any trade. Don't feel bad if you're like, oh my god, I just took a stop loss and it's the end. No, it's not the end of the world. All right, it's totally fine. But how am I controlling this trade? Obviously, very small contracts, very small contracts. So I can let that market flow and take direction. All right. There you go. Wow. Big push to the bottom. Big push, big push, big push. Let's go. So, all right. Buy stop. How do you control this trade? Wow. Wow. It is pushing hard down. Let's go. Let's go. I move my, I'm gonna lock in profits. Okay, it's at the bottom. I already lock in profits. If you guys are with me on this trade, lock in profits now. When I say lock in profits, make sure that you move your stop loss to entry and take some profits there, okay? I already did 290 bucks, and this is, we got 2 minutes for the market to open. This move of the market right now, it's showing me that it's probably gonna go higher. Volatility is kicking in. This is really good. It kicked me out with $290. I'm out. I'm out. All right, so let's see. Let's go, familia. 1 minute. 1 minute for the market to open. It's right on that 50%. Already kicked me out of the trade, so I'm not in any trade right now. Up by 290 bucks. On a scalping, my bias is to go down. Remember, going down, grabbing liquidity, pushing back up. All right, 20 seconds. Remember, down, it could be there right now and then push up. We are above the BWAP, so we got to focus in retracement, buying. All right. Market opens. Yikes. No trades yet. No trades. Let the market flow. Let the market flow. Let the market flow. We got a game plan, right? We got a game plan. It's coming. There you go. There you go. There you go. Wow, it's still inside the triangle. Not breaking it. I'm looking very closely at SP 500. There you go. It's probably gonna break to the upside. Let's see. Okay, the SP 500 is finding support in a very key point. Very good key point. So it's I think it's doing the move right now for me. It broke the area. Yeah, there you go. Anybody buying? Anybody buying? I am not buying yet. I'm waiting for the market to react. All right. I am not buying anything yet. Not buying yet. It is finding very strong resistance on the top. Remember what I told you guys? This becomes like a wall there, and there, if there's a wall, it needs to hit it several times before it breaks it, right? Expanding to the upside. Let's see. Let's see, familia. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, I have a risk-free trade. It kicked me out. Oh man. I want to sell the market there. I want to sell the market, but it is breaking the area, like chiseling and hitting and hitting and hitting. Remember, I'm doing impact trading as well. Liquidity sitting on the very top, so I want to sell the market higher when he breaks all of this. Still, familia, it is a very strong bullish sentiment. See, it doesn't matter how technical you are about the market. At the end of the day, investors saw an opportunity at the bottom, and they are gonna break it. Not breaking the zone yet. Not breaking the zone yet. Let's see. I want to see the bot. What's the bot doing right now? Oh. Oh. He placed a trade. A buy limit on gold. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay. I have no idea what's going on. So the bot already saw an opportunity and is taking the trade. What's up?
So I already have 2 trades open right now, but do you think I should enter here or wait?
Enter. Oh, we got our assistant here.
I mean, it's a little late, but I'm like...
You're not too late. What is this?
This is Euro USD.
So go for it. Don't. I got our little assistant here. He just came out of the bush and.
Okay, thank you.
You want to find a chair and make yourself comfortable. We're making money, life.
I know. I'll party.
All right. The bot took a trade, but a pending order, which is good. It is a perfect trade. What I'm seeing here, it is a very good trade. It's just waiting there. I'll show you guys quickly. You guys can see it there. That's Bill and Ted. It is bought for the community that I will be releasing the binaries of the latest updates probably today. Probably. No, I wanted to see this happening, and it's happening. You see the trade there already going. And it's waiting for a retracement to take it. Already, it's a signal provider too. It already gave a signal there with all the details. All right. And he's using artificial intelligence for that. All right, I'm gonna minimize the bot and wait. Oh Jesus, what are you doing? Like, can you move that to the? Yeah, yeah, son. Thank you. All right. Sorry, family. I got my little daughter here, and it is not breaking it. It is truly just. Hmm. Gold seems to be going downwards. Yes, remember, gold needs to do a correction too. Remember what I said? Check on gold, familia. Go check on gold because it's gonna do a correction, right? Check, catch Elliott wave 5. But my bot took a pending order on a buy at the very bottom. So I don't, well, the bot is not doing Elliott waves. It's not doing Elliott waves. The bot is doing liquidity checks. Okay, all right, let's see. Market is moving up slowly on NAS, slowly and steady. I'm only up 362 bucks. Slowly. This is the market that I say you need to be really careful. These choppy markets. These are the markets that I don't like. But ES 500 keeps moving to the upside. Non-stop moving to the upside, and NAS is gonna follow. So these retracements are pretty good for to buy because NAS AS 500 just moving higher. A lot of buying pressure right now. A lot of buying pressure. My goodness. A lot of buying pressure. And it's gonna keep breaking this entire zone probably. But it needs to come down from here. NAS needs to come down. I'm gonna save this. Wow, look at that. That's a big drop. Oh my god, this is seriously familiar. You guys didn't catch this thing? This isn't it. Oh my lord, I missed this thing. Elliott wave in the making, right there. Ah, come on. Come on now. My goodness. Wow. The entry for the bot, it's actually, it calculated, now that I'm looking at it, it calculated an entry on a correction of the market because at the bigger picture, the market is going up. That's the truth. It's still going up. But on that big retracement of the market, the bot is already waiting to enter a trade to the upside. This is really cool. All right. So NAS is still grinding up slowly. Oh man, it's a choppy market on a Monday. Only up 362 bucks. Spanies. What's up, Marco? Petrovic. Yeah, we will see later in the afternoon. Yeah, it's totally fine, Renee. If you stay cash, I mean it is, as I said, it's bullish, but it didn't come to the upside at all, to the downside at all, to do that big move. He literally grabbed it from session 1 here, and it took off. It broke the edge. I said in the morning it is going to be a continuation pattern, breaking to the upside, but it needed to grab fuel. Highlighted the areas here, didn't even bother to come to the bottom, just went here to this point, broke it, grabbed it what I needed, push. It's that sentiment, but it's gonna find a top. Don't think that one candle is just gonna be like the ultimate candle to the very top of the world. No. What I don't like about this market, this choppy market like this, if you go into the higher time frame, you're gonna see one candle, fine. But if you go into the lower time frame, you're gonna see a small retracement, big impulses, a small retracement, big impulses, making higher highs over and over. That is normal trading. That's what I like to look at, the lower time frames. And that's what I don't like about the market. I truly don't like to trade these markets. Not like that. Oh, what I said, I keep repeating myself in my mind. Do not trade shopping market. Do not trade shopping market. Do not trade shopping. That's what I'm talking about. So if I keep reminding myself to not do that, what I do, I step out, even doing impact trading. And it's a volatility too that it's very tricky. You gotta be really extremely super duper careful with this market. One small little mistake can put you in the very bottom of the ocean. Easy. So just take it easy, familia. Take it easy. Anybody bought from the bottom? I didn't. I took a sell here at the edge of this thing, coming down, took me out on a break even again. Took a small buy and took me out again on a pullback, because I tried to like have very short stop losses in case that the market tried to go to the opposite direction very quick. And whenever I am in profits, I cover my entry right away with profits. And the market, if any small pullback kick me out, I'm fine. But I already did 362 bucks times 24, obviously, because I'm trading the 150k accounts. But yeah, I'm not gonna push it. It's doing, like, all the technicals are showing that the market, it is doing divergences like crazy. Like, you guys have no idea. He's saying that he's overbought. It's showing all the crazy things that no matter how technical you are about the market, the sentiment is dominating everything. A potential end of a government shutdown. That's what's in the. Look at that! Oh my God! Oh my God! You see this big move of the market, pushing the market higher. This is only the beginning of the day. We have a long way to go. Long way to go. Oh my God, what is this? It's fighting the sun. He wants to pull back down hard. ES 500. ES 500 is fighting it too. It is. Let's see the 1 hour time frame, familia. 1 hour time frame. Oof, we got so much to run. Now, what I show you guys here, the point. Remember this X? Remember? Going back here. See that 78%? That's what he's fighting. If he break that, if he does break that, he's gonna continue higher. Oop, not modifying that. To our final destination, which is here. Okay. But if you guys got into this trade from last night, you guys got all of this so far. All of that. But going back to the much lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, oof. It is breaking it like butter. Extremely overbought. Extremely overbought. And when the market is like this, it only takes one shot to clear everybody out. That's what I am watching carefully. And what I said, that liquidity was sitting on the top of all of this. A lot of stop losses there, taking everyone out. Keeps pushing higher. My goodness. How is a broadcast? Is it good? Like the quality, it's okay? It's not like choppy or anything like that? Just let me know, because like my side, I don't have anything bad. I mean, looks okay. There you go, familia. Clearing liquidity on the top. Nice retracement. Nice retracement. Is it good enough to push everything down or not? Buyers are kicking in right now. Drastic buyers are kicking in. Elliott number 1. Okay, wow, looks like an Elliott number 2 formation. Ooh. Yeah, looks like very clear Elliott number 2 formation. Where's your laptop?
It was glitching. It needs the other half of it, the monitor, because the mouse wasn't working, so I'm just using that phone.
Oh, okay.
I'm already in 3 trades right now, so.
You are in 3 trade.
Oh. And they're in profit, and they're good setups.
Okay. Cool. Elliott number 3 on the making, familia. Come pushing the market down. And I am not in that trade either. My God, what a mess. It can't be taking every single trade. I have to be really careful with how I trade. Oh my goodness. But I'm missing a lot actually today. I'm only up 362 bucks. That's not good. Ugh. What is this? It's off. Current account. Come on. Come on, it's screwed. Okay, what the heck? What is happening here? I am so lost. Oh, Jesus. There. Oh. Oh man, I missed a nice opportunity. Wow, it's pushing down hard. Liquidity grab on the top. There you go. Let's see. Not liking what I see. It's pushing down hard. Come on. Playing with my feelings. I took a buy position at the bottom. Let's see. It's coming down hard. It's coming down too hard. Buyers are not in the house. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. There you go. There you go. Pretty good. Man, what's going on? So how's that trade going?
Good.
What do you mean good?
I got it. It's gonna go down. I'm just waiting.
So you're selling.
Well, one I'm selling, two I'm selling, one I'm buying.
And what are you selling?
I'm selling USD, JPY, and Euro.
USD, JPY, and Euro, USD. Okay. So I'm buying. I'm buying, familia. Are you guys buying with me? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Market is about to kick me out on a trailing stop. Nope. I don't think so. It's coming back up. Come on. Push up, push up, push up. It's frozen in time. Big reaction out of ES500 at the bottom. That's why I'm buying, and we're keep grinding it slowly up. But trailing stop activated for me, and I'm about to get out if this thing collapses. There you go. Keep pushing higher, 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 higher. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Ah, come on. What about gold? How is gold doing? Oh my god. Pantheon trade is still there. Interesting. But the other bot, it is not doing anything. It is saying that it's a very choppy market, mixed signals everywhere, and it's saying nope, I am not taking a trade. My God, I hope it doesn't become too smart to a point that it will not take any trade. Oh, the gold bought clear the pending order. We are in a buy position, familia. Buying the market, buying the market, buying the market. And here we go, buying the market. So here we go. Are you guys with me buying it now? Wow. I am going to lock in more profits. Maybe in the afternoon will be a better session because this morning is too choppy. But again, it's Monday, so can't really expect much of this.
So you're buying?
Yo, that's okay. I'm trading NAS. You're not trading that.
Oh, I thought you were trading gold.
No. Gold. It is. The bot is trading gold.
The bot is trading.
Bot is trading gold. It's coming back down, it's coming back down, it's coming back down, it's coming back down, and I am out. It took me out on the trailing stop, but that was good. That was a good buy, familia. When the market is moving like this, I put very tight stop losses. Kind of want to sell now, but it's gonna be doing a rising wedge. Big fight. Big fight. Big fight. Fight of the year.
Are you scalping?
I'm a scalping, yes. Ah, heavy buyers are in the market right now. My God. I don't understand what it is market doing right now. It's very choppy, familiar. Extremely choppy market. It's not a good market to keep trading, familiar. Like it should come down, honestly. Like based on what I see, understanding liquidity, it should come down. But technically speaking, we have such a long way to go to the upside. Such a long way still. But it should come down. This market should come to these areas here to the bottom. What it's doing, it is not nice. It can trick so many people and burn accounts. I'm up 550 bucks, but I think I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Maybe in the afternoon will be a better session because still have a long way. It's only been a half hour since the market opened, but not very clear. So you guys are saying the transmission is good? Everything clear? Going up. Rising wedge, familia. There you go. I'm gonna highlight it for you guys so you guys can see what I see, right? One of the most common moves in the market. But once you guys see and visualize it, you guys can tackle it, okay? You guys can see it now? Good. So you guys can buy on this edge of these lines. There's no fair value gaps or anything that can happen in here. You just gotta follow the pattern. And then it's gonna break it and then push down. Push all the way down. So if it comes down, buy. Buy around this area. If it breaks this bottom, get out of this trade. Do not trade choppy markets. Do not trade choppy markets. Do not trade choppy markets. Repeat that. Repeat that after me. Do not trade choppy markets. You just gotta wait. Don't get desperate.
How do you know it's choppy?
The way it's moving. Not a lot of volatility. Candles going all over the place. Looks like What you see there, going a lot like this and not taking direction.
Consolidating?
Not consolidating. You see how the candles are moving here? You can follow patterns and be okay with it. But the thing is how the market is moving, it's going like up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down a lot. And it's not giving you clear direction of where there is going like this, like a flow, right? It's just going like up and down, up and down, up and down like this a lot. Like when you see that happening, you have to be careful because it can trick you very easy. And this is the 1 minute time frame. Like, so if it's not doing what you want to trade, don't trade. You get out. Like, just get out. Because then you're gonna be in a risk. Because what happened is, you see this market is going like this a lot, right? And then one candle can clear all this out. They give you like a nice surprise candle, boom, and everything is out. Right? You think, oh yeah, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, and then boom, you out, and then it goes up. That's what happened with this kind of move. That honestly, like, rather not trade, I'd rather stay out of it.
When you're scalping.
When you're scalping, exactly. If you're not scalping, it's you're doing intraday, that won't even matter.
Well, yeah, because there's gonna be a bunch of pullback.
Exactly. You're focusing in the long shot.
Yeah. Okay, so if you're scalping, that's what you have to know.
Yeah. If you're scalping, you got to watch for that. If you're not scalping, focus on the long shot. These areas of the market is gonna go there regardless. But it is what it is. The bot plays another trade again. I like what I see on the bot now because it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. It's just not taking the trade because it's doing pending orders and the price is not coming to where that good execution should be happening. Now the other bot, things are not aligning. Ha! Look at that. It's saying that NAS is within the parameters that I put on, is too close to the all-time high, and I don't like to trade all-time highs. Depends. I don't think it is that right. All-time high where? Oh yes, I put it. You see this is close by to the all-time high. Put these big parameters. So I don't like to trade markets like this. That's, you talking about these lines? No, that's an indicator that a friend created. But this is Elliott waves. All of this is Elliott waves. This is the best part I like about this indicator, that it shows you where the market is overbought, oversold, and I like to see them like heat maps of the market. And when it's turning green, it means that there is a divergence there, which I totally agree to this.
So what about the yellow and
Though I did that, man. To the 1 minute time frame again, you guys can see it here. In the 1 minute time frame, I just look at a lot of details of what is happening. Lisa, that's totally, it is doing that. Yes, your body's sending pending but not activating. That's totally fine because he's looking at the market. He's doing a TA, but the price is too far from entry, and again, it's totally fine. Remember in the previous company that educators and other people were like sending trades and telling you entries, and you had like enough time to put that on? The bot is doing that for you. But seeing the opportunities, putting the pending orders there. If the price moves too far from it, it will eliminate the pending order. But if it goes back down, they say, hey, it's still valid. It will put it back. but it's doing pending orders instead of market execution, because we want to do really good trades with this. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Again, the bot will take you maybe a trade or two a day, that gold trade. If it's there, it's there. If it's not there, it's not going to force it. But it needs volatility. The market conditions are not there for even for manual trading. So and the job of the bot is to eliminate the emotions that what would you do as a person, the bot would do it as well. But it eliminates the emotions of, oh, should I take this trade or not? Or, you know, I'm missing something about risk management. I forgot this about the lot sizes. I don't have time to calculate lot sizes. I don't have, the bot does that all for you. That's the advantage of it. But a trade is a trade, and even on with a bot, you have a risk that it could lose it, right? Every time you open a trade, you have a risk of winning or losing, even if it's automated. Because nothing is written in stone, all right? Market, and it's, but I highlighted it for you guys here, the edges that the market is respecting, and you guys see it, it's clear, right? Should I buy, should I sell, should I buy, should I sell? The question of the year. Buy, should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? Oof. See that? Oh man, that mystical, crazy candle that I talk about out of nowhere, big candle, breaking everything up. To see you're buying here, you're out. Now what I'm talking about, that's why you gotta be extremely careful with this market. Man, it's Monday. I mean, what can you expect? It's Monday. So 362. Okay. So 300 here. 50. Going back up. So what do you do when this happens? You accommodate your wedge because you know, oop, there. It's still respecting it, so you do this. You adjust it. Now it's expanded even more. You have now a bigger area that this thing can move all the way to the top. And it becomes more annoying because that means you're gonna be there all day. The best part of this is that you can put your stop losses there and be okay with that. There and here. It's the only good part of this, that you can put your very short stop loss, buy the market, get out halfway based on your R&R. If you take a stop loss, it's totally fine. Remember, it's totally fine to take a stop loss. Don't think that you are the best because you never hit a stop loss. It's not about ego. It's not about being the best. It's about making it every day. You know, at least try to make it. And if you don't make it, hey, the next day you can. All right. Going back up slowly and steady. Yeah, familia. You know what? I am gonna take a break now. This market is just doing dog doodle right now. So I will come back to you guys probably in the afternoon. I gotta see more of the bot running. I can't just release it until it's actually tested well with these changes. So I will get back to you guys on the chat just to talk about the trades and just the way the market is moving is not even healthy to be on it. Okay. All right, familia. But again, I will see you guys on the chat and another broadcast tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. Take care, familia. Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Goodbye.